Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today we did a RetraxPro XR on probably one of the coolest, baddest, and one of my favorite trucks out here. This is the first TRX I got in my store, and I'm starting in front of the truck because I want you to see how cool this truck is. I'm not selling the truck, but I love this truck. So come around here, let's see what we did to it. And John will be videoing the side of it and how nice it looks. And I just think they've done a wonderful job on this truck. Now, if you're gonna get a top of the line premium truck, you might as well get the top of the line premium cover. And this gentleman went with one of our best, the RetraxPro XR. What is the Pro? Well, the Pro is the all aluminum cover. That's right, this thing holds 500 pounds. Now it's evenly distributed, and that's quite a bit of weight. And of course, by him getting the XR rails, he can add racks to this. That's right, if he wants to do a little overlanding, some off-roading, he could put racks on this because he's got the model for that. So take a good look how nice that cover is. This is the matte finish, which is the MX finish, which they don't make the shiny finish anymore because nobody was behind it. So let's go into it and show you how it works. Now, you do have your mechanism over here for opening it up. Now, let's take a look here. You got a little handle here. Now, this does some stuff the other covers don't do. So we'll start with just opening it up. Now, as you can see, you still got space underneath the canister. You still got a lot of space in this bed. Take a good look here. You can see if he wants to buy some lumber, which I doubt if he's be doing that, but who knows? If he wants to put some big stuff in there, he still has room underneath the canister. Now, another really cool feature about the Retrax models is they let you lock anywhere along the track. Why is that great? Well, let's say you are bringing something tall and you want to use the tailgate and the cover to kind of lock it into place. You can do that with this cover, and it's one of the few covers, and not the only cover that does that, and that's a great feature. Now, another great feature on this, now most covers will have 1-year warranty, 2-year warranty, maybe 3 or 5. This company does a lifetime warranty. That is right, lifetime warranty on this. So that says they really stand behind their product. I mean, this thing is tough. It holds 500 pounds, got a great warranty. It can do a lot of stuff with the XR rails. This opens up tons of stuff. Like I said, let's say you want to bring a kayak up there. You can put the racks on here. You can put the tents on there when you go off-roading, and you want to go stay somewhere for the overnight. You can do a lot with this cover. All in all, it's a terrific product, and it's a terrific truck. I mean, this thing, the TRX, I gotta admit, when he told me he wanted this cover, he called me up on the phone and ordered the cover, and he told me he was driving. I got excited. I said, I want to do a YouTube video. I was all excited. So I'm finally doing my video on this. Now, if you like what you see, you can get this RetraxPro pretty much for all the models out there, not just the TRX. And you can just call us at the store like this gentleman did and order it and have it either installed by us. And by the way, if we do the installation, you get a 1-year labor agreement. What does that cover? Well, if that lock breaks, well, Retrax will send you a new lock. Who's going to put it in for you? We are. For a whole year, you got the labor. That includes full replacement of the cover. So if they replace the cover and they need it put in, we'll do that for you. Now, if you need to order this cover, we can ship it anywhere in the country. You can go to our website or call John, Dave, or myself, Chris, and we can order it for you like I did earlier today. All in all, it's a great setup. And again, you can come to our store in Margate, come see me in person, and we'll go over everything for you. And if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. You're always going to be up to date with the latest and coolest stuff like this cool TRX with the RetraxPro. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thanks.